Hi everyone, Clovis here with UNR's Technology LLC. So today's lesson is gonna be about conversion, uh, variable conversion. So it's like we're getting a value from a variable that has a different type, so that we can put in another variable that has a different type from the previous variable. Let me say this. It's like this. Let's say we have casts and we use also wrapper class. This is the two ways of converting variables. So in here, what we're doing, we got a variable who has with a type of double with 435 4.35 value that we're gonna cast it here, so that the value is gonna be inside the new value. Let's try to print it up and see what's gonna happen, and we're gonna explain. So we run it and then we see 4. Why we're having 4 and one not 435? Because it's an int. Int contain only whole number, but double can get some decimal value. When you're casting a double to an int, you don't just take the parts before the decimal, uh, all the decimal value. So it's going to check just the integer in the front, or if it was 14 here, it's going to take 14. But because it's 4, it's taking just 4. And we can also do a conversion using a wrapper class. This is an example of using a wrapper class right here. So we're taking a string. We use the syntax given from Java, integer percent, whatever variable string you want to put here. It has to be a number though. It has to be a string where's a number, no those kind of hello world. So and then we're doing just multiplication to make sure actually we couldn't do multiplication, some arithmetic operation, because string doesn't do arithmetic operation unless the string is converted to integer or double or something like that. So and then we're gonna print it and see if we're gonna have the results that we're planning, like 12 times 4, it should be 48. Let's run it and see what happened. So yeah, we got 48. So this is how we convert some of the variable. So you can go check about wrapper class and casts uh, with documentation in Java. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye for now.